Listen, listen to the wind through the boughs. Through the naked trees it blows. Where once were buds, now is but a coating of ice and snow. Listen, and you will hear the wind speak. In the woods, across the dale, it snakes its way along, through the tangle of branches, between barren, thorny bushes that rise from out the slumbering white embankments. Down the slopes to where the brook once ran, though now only sits in its frigid still, life frozen below, abiding as only it can, waiting, hoping to survive. Listen, listen to the wind through the boughs. It will whisper the names of those who walked here before, of those who strode with their feet in what could have been the same game trails, the same ravines, the same shores. It seems as if they could have walked upon the very same fallen snow. Along the flying chill breeze, if you have the right kind of ears, you will hear distant odes to their existence.
Here once walked a man who hunted with a thundering stick, wearing furs of beasts he'd slain, eyes like a midwinter lake. Here once danced a woman between the trees and shrubs, singing of lovers past and of days yet to come. Here once played a child, young and full of life. The fallen branches he made into his weapons to fight the monsters in his mind. Here came one. Here came one. Here came one. Before you.
Standing in the center of a pale-wrapped grove, with the whipping zephyr specters moving all around, for a few moments you may start to realize, for a fleeting instant you may know, where the secret pages of our story are found. Listen, listen to the wind through the boughs. Through the short days and long nights it flows, where once was the singing of larks and thrushes, now is the stark cawing of crows, perched atop their skeletal roosts, glaring down at the ground dwellers below, mocking, foreboding, or perhaps begging. Where once was the chattering of squirrels, now the howling northern breath sounds, making flurries twirl, crystallized mist captured, clung by the bitter ground. And there is a hope, half buried, partly hidden, for the pulse of the winter sun. But after the long draw of the paralyzed world we'll seemingly forever live in, across the sylvan marches and frost, we accept the cold season we've been given, and imagine going on and on unto its snow-capped heart into the winding wilds, become lost.